Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to come this side and after that click on search, and after that enter the model number of graphic card AORUS RX 6800 Mustard 16G, and then click on the product, and you can see AORUS Random RX 600 Master 12G, and then click on the name of the title. Then click on support. After that select your operating system, Windows 7, 11, 10. So all the operating system installations process AMD driver and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see it will start and it will complete. Then click on three dot and click on download. So you can see it is start downloading, and this is size. So after it is completed, then click on this icon. After it open this location where it is downloading. Okay. Then right click and run as administrator. If you are Windows 10, so show more and then click on run as administrator. After that click on yes, and then click on install. After that this is extracting to your system. Now you can see this is installing, so it will take some time. and it is low after installed, then close it.